So the whole idea of living a simple life, a minimalist life, is to bring quality into your home. Quality over quantity. And that is a topic of conversation today, bringing quality food into your home. My name is Carolyn Chebaro. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Reinvention and the Simple Life, where my goal is to inspire you, to motivate you, to get you to look at things just a wee bit differently, all on your journey of reinvention and creating your own simple life. So today, the topic of conversation is food and bringing quality food into your home. And I've got 4 areas for you to look at, and I'd like to discuss with you. The first one of bringing quality into your home is to eliminate processed foods as much as you can. Certainly read the labels, and if there's something in the label that you cannot pronounce, pass on it. Also understand that the more of an ingredient the product has, it will be on the top of that list. So for example, if you are a diabetic or are trying to stay away from sugar, if sugar appears on the top layer or the top line of the ingredients, stay away. I've also got a tip on labels. So if you stick around till the end, I have an idea for you with labels on your fruits and the vegetables. The second in my list is making your food very, very inviting. Making your quality food very, very inviting. Not having to have a lot on the plate, small portions, but of quality food. And in my case, I always try and put something green. It's interesting because, in my youth, I remember hamburgers always served with a piece of kale to brighten up the plate. And now, but no one ever ate it. And now kale is the thing to eat. So life goes in circles, and so does food. The third item on my list is to make eating an occasion. Around Thanksgiving, we all gather at the table, and typically there are different courses of food that we eat. We maybe have a starter with soup and with salad, then we have a main course. We might have something in between. We might have a cheese board, a dessert. And my thoughts are to ask you to do that at least once or twice a week. Say on a Sunday. Make Sunday a traditional day where your whole family sits down and eats a meal. Take it back to the way it was, where everyone did have a Sunday meal, Sunday sat down, and really enjoyed each other's company and eating quality food. So back to number 4, which is the labels, and learn to read those labels, or I would suggest learn to read those labels that you'll see on your fruits and vegetables. The PLU number, the product lookup number. And if you look, for example, on a banana with a 4-digit number beginning with a 3 or a 4, well, that piece of fruit has been grown conventionally, which means it's got synthetics, fertilizers and hormones and pesticides in it. If you pick up a piece of fruit and it's got an 8 on it, it is genetically modified. They have changed the cell structure of that piece of fruit. And while studies are not showing that that's harmful, I don't know. I question that. And then, of course, if you pick up a piece of fruit that's got 5 numbers on it, the first one, which is a 9, well, that's organically grown. And so it is free of all pesticides, chemicals, fertilizers that have been man-made. Now, sadly, it's typically more expensive, which is something I really never understand because they're putting less into the ground to grow the fruit. So in my mind, that would be cheaper and less expensive. But who am I to say anything? And that is it for the day. Quality over quantity in food. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. We're growing, and that's all up to you. Thank you very, very much. And until my next video, toodles!